Well, here we are in front of Lucky Ducky. There's the progressives there. Put it from the last machine. And let's try to see if we can hit it big. Come on, little Lucky Ducky. We'll start out with 3, 2. Hopefully, tripod don't want to work, I guess, because it's broken. Let's hit it with max and see where we go. Come on there, Lucky Ducky, get your friends and start quacking. There we go. If any of you family and friends would like to see a different machine or whatever, just let me know. That's what I'm here for. For some of you that are out of work or unable to go to the casinos, that's what my channel's for. It's for you guys to enjoy a little bit of entertainment from the gaming industry. Trying to get the bingo card so you guys can see when it hits. Come on, Lucky Ducky. Nope. Oh my gosh, that was a real good hit. Look at, there's your cousin down there in the bottom, didn't want to come up. That's quite alright, that's alright. We're having fun. Keep in mind, this is double AZ slots. Here for your entertainment. I thought that was going to be it. Right. Turn it red now. Make it red. That's one of our things. Get a bonus. Make it red. All we want to know is, come on, Lucky Ducky. And a small diamond. Another small diamond. Ducky. Let's see, Ducky. Well, let me see. Okay, there's your cousin. See what we got.
77?
got 30. All his cousins out there. That's a pretty good hit. So that's pretty good. Back in, getting close to a positive there. Let's try it again. Come on down there, Lucky Ducky. Let's do that again. Oh. Let's see what we can do. Oh my gosh. Thought that had it there. Let's take it down to here. Oh, ain't anything. Well, Lucky Ducky, thank you for that little bonus there. Let's see what else we can find.